Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I've got a new little mod for the interior of the 25 4Runner. You can also put this in some 25, 24 Tacomas, 26 Tacomas, or 25, 26 4Runners. In the dash, it will not work in the Tacoma because it has a brake controller thing. Let's install this in the 4Runner and see what it's used for. Let's do it. Okay, so I don't know how well you can see this, but see this little cubby right here? So I found this little part, and it fills that hole. And like I showed you, the Tacoma, our Tacoma SR5 doesn't have it because it came with, I guess, the tow package, and it came with parking sensors and JBL audio. It has a whole lot of different electronic stuff. But anyways, so this is what I got here. This little thing, and I've looked at a lot of these, and you know, there's some that are 3D printed on Etsy and stuff, and this one seemed to actually have the nicest finish. It's even got rubber foam, double stick taped on the side, has a little rubber mat inside to keep change from vibrating. But let's see if this thing fits. Let's try it out. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Fits pretty good. Let's yeah, it looks factory. I mean, that's what I'm looking for there. So you can pull this out. I can keep change in there, tokens. You know, I don't know if they still use that for toll roads or whatever. I just use a quick NC pass or whatever they call those things in the state, quick passes or whatever. But anyways, I thought this was a handy little thing, and it's made, you can see it's got this foam tape on each side, keeps it from vibrating. It's got a little rubber mat inside. Now you can keep mints, you can't fit your car keys in there, but you could keep change. Maybe if you're going out for a run, you take your wedding ring off or your whatever ring you have and you take it off and put in this. But yeah, it fits great. Let's see if I can show you a better picture of that. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Let me get out of that sun there. So here it is. It just goes in there and fits tight. Yeah. So check it out. See if we can get a top view. Yeah. I mean, it really does a good job there. And, you know, fits good since it's got that double stick foam tape. It really works great. And, yeah, I'm happy with that, you know, and I'll probably put change in it, you know, and different things. You know, we'll see if I use it or not. It might just be a gimmick, but, you know, this one's really made well. I'll put a link under the video in the description if you want to look at this. And, you know, like I said, the ones on Etsy that are 3D printed, there's my phone mount. That's by Off-Roam. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Love that phone mount. Sturdy. All made of aluminum. Really nice. Anyhow, I hope you like that little thing. It's just, you know, it might be a gimmick, but it will hold change and stuff. And if you're wanting to have a lot of change, go through the drive-thru. They give you some change. It's like, what do I do with it now? Do I throw it in my console? You could just put it in that. That's a good way to transfer it. Other than that, well, what I was saying about, I've seen some on Etsy. They're 3D printed. They kind of have a rough texture to them. This one seems to be more complete. And it, you know, fits good, perfect size. It had everything I needed to it. It was cheap. It was like $12 or under $12. And, you know, check them out. See what you think. This is just a short video. I've got some videos coming that are really cool. I've got an intake for the 4Runner. I'm going to try it out, see if I like it. I love turbo noises on our GTI. Just put a new intake on that by Integrated Engineering. And man, you can hear that turbo wind up even with my bad hearing. It's just really, it's really cool. But anyway, so I'm going to try it out on this and see how I like it and see how the performance is. And I'll do a whole video on that. And then I've been diving into the JBL Flex system. Now, Flex speaker system that comes on the with the JBL audio in a lot of these Tacomas and 4Runners. This model, a 4Runner, you cannot get that option. On this model of the Tacoma, the SR5, you could get that. So I got the JBL audio. It came with the Flex speaker in the Tacoma. It also came with parking sensors, and a few things are different in there. Now, it is made in Mexico, and this one's made in Japan. And then, you know, one of the differences is it shows you the numbers of temp when you turn up your heat or cool or turn it down, whereas on the 4Runner, it just shows a bar, a bar thing, no numbers. It's the same temp. It's whatever you feel comfortable at. It really doesn't matter. But anyhow, that's just, there's some differences. Probably depends on where they source parts, but whatever. Stay tuned for that stuff, especially the JBL Flex system, because I'm going to see if I can put one in this. Now, I don't have the JBL. I just have an 8-inch head unit. I do have a place for it. It bolts right in, and then I can have the speaker. I'm trying to figure out what the plugs are in here in the dash. There's a couple of plugs parked. One of them looks like the one in the Tacoma, because I've already pulled that apart to look at it. That plugs into the JBL speaker, and that's for recharging and playing through your audio system. Now, I don't think it'll play through the audio system because I don't have JBL, but it might recharge it. If not, it's just a USB-C to recharge it. And I might rig something like that up if I can't figure it out. But anyways, that's going to be a video coming up too. So stay tuned, subscribe so you see that. And please check out the links under the video in the description. All kinds of cool stuff I've done to these trucks, the Tacoma and the 4Runner, and more coming weekly. So, you know, stay tuned, and I will see you next time. See ya.